Welcome back to the channel. You're now on the #1 place to start your natural journey while embracing a natural lifestyle full of self-love, confidence, and determination. No long introduction. We are going right in with the Canvas Beauty Creme de la Creme Leave-In Conditioner. I am so excited to finally try this product. The smell, it's sweet, but it's like dainty sweet, so it's like not overpowering. I really don't know how to describe the smell, but it just smells good. The consistency, baby, this stuff is thick. Okay, so by me taking a look at how thick it was, I was like, let me see if I can do a style with just this one product. So that is exactly what I'm gonna do today. I'm going to be doing 3-strand flat twist, so let's get started. Make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel and make sure you do hit the notification bell so you'll be notified as soon as my next video drops. So we're going to go right on in. I am going to take a generous amount because, like I said, it is thick and I'm not using any other products. So I'm making sure that this Creme de la Creme leave-in conditioner is thoroughly worked through my strands, and then I'll be going in with also the Canvas Beauty's Silkening Argan Oil to make sure that I am sealing in this amazing moisture that I have. My hair was already washed and conditioned, if I did not mention that, and we are just going to go in and start flat twisting. I am not going to go into like details on how to flat twist because I'm not the best flat twister, and there are tons of YouTube videos that would, like, I just can't do it no justice, so I'm not even gonna try. Just probably watch somebody else's video if you do not know how to flat twist, but it does take practice. So I want to, of course, make sure that my hair is detangled, and then we're gonna go in with the 3-strand flat twist. So I 2-strand twist till I don't have any more hair to pick up, and then I split the 2 strands into 3 strands. And then for me to try to explain how you 3-strand twist is also kind of hard because it took me a while to learn it. But it's like you just basically, the strand that is the farthest to your right, you cross it over the other 2 strands, and then the new strand that's the farthest to the right, you're gonna cross it over the other 2 strands. And like I said, I'm probably not explaining it the best, but it just takes some practice, and there are probably like some videos out there to help you guys learn how to do it. But as you can see, my hair is kind of straight on the ends, and I like a really nice curl or coily end. So I use my homemade aluminum foil rollers, or flexi rods, whatever you want to call them, but I make them and I love them better than flexi rods that you can get in the store, just because a lot of the ones in the store are like super thick, and I feel like my aluminum foil wrap is just like, it's perfect for me. Y'all see me, I'm kind of distracted right now because I have a guest that is kind of interrupting my video. So yeah, we were listening to music because I really didn't want to talk in this video, and I just really wanted to do my hair. So I'm not the only one that like listens to music when you do your hair, because I doubt it. Like, I'm sure a lot of y'all. Comment, let me know who actually listens to music while they do their hair.
Ready? Baby, I don't really know what you want to. Maybe you can show me what you can do. And we can turn up if you want to. Dance all night if you want to. Drinks all night if you want to. Change your whole life.
While I continue on with the other side of my hair, I want to go over the ingredients of this product. So some of the ingredients are aloe vera juice, infusion of rosemary, infusion of lavender. I'm assuming that means lavender oil and rosemary oil, but not sure. Stearic acid, emulsifying wax, bihydramonium methyl sulfate. And then I see cetyl alcohol, soybean oil, sunflower oil, castor oil. It's a lot of oils in here. I did find it interesting that the Enki did not have the botanical names displayed because I know for sure shea butter has a botanical name, and I believe so does aloe vera juice. And if you don't know what that means, that's basically any substance that comes from a plant. So I know, of course, aloe vera comes from a plant. So that's like the botanical name of it, which I can't even think of what the name is, but I know every time I see it, I also found it interesting that this product didn't have any water in it. But I'm assuming then that the aloe vera juice is like the water of the product, or the watery consistency of this product. But I do understand why they use the bihydramonium methyl sulfate, because that is going to be the emulsifier, and that basically like brings the water and the oils together, and that's what creates the like creamy, lotiony feel of the product. But I mean, overall, like, I really like this product, and when you guys see my results, y'all are gonna be like, okay, for this to only be the only product, I did not use any gel, I just used this, and I just used oil, and that's it. Let me know if you all have already tried this Creme de la Creme leave-in conditioner, and what are your thoughts about it. Like I said, I really like it, so I want to know what if anybody has already tried it, what was your experience like? So now I'm going to go in with the Canvas Beauty Blossom Serum, and you'll see me applying it in between my parts of the twist. And that's pretty much it. And I am going to go to sleep and wake up the next day. Alright, and my hair is completely dry. You can definitely see that I have a little bit of shrinkage, maybe actually a lot of bit of shrinkage, but shrinkage doesn't bother me. Like, I'm not one that does stretch. I don't stretch my hair. I know a lot of naturals, they like to stretch their hair to elongate it, but I just know over a couple days, like, my hair end up getting a lot longer as it gets older. So it's time to go ahead and put a little oil on my hands so I can separate. And this is the part, or the most important part, right? When it comes to separating your hair, you want to make sure you take your time and do not create any frizz. So that's what I'm trying to do now. But just look at the twist. Like, these twists are so hydrated. They look so good and so juicy. Like, I'm still in shock that this was the only product that I used, and I created such a defined twist out without using gel or a styler, right? Because this is not a styler. This is just a leave-in. Like, you're actually supposed to use something else after you put this product on. So just to say, like, y'all can use this product by itself, and your hair is going to come out amazing. So the only other thing I have to do now is just pick out the parts. And then we're going to go ahead and apply some edge control. I actually don't have the Canvas Beauty edge control yet, or at the time when I recorded this, but I will be trying out their edge control too. But yeah, to slick back a little bit of my edges. I really do like that edge control, and that's it. So if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you do subscribe to the channel. Make sure you do hit the notification bell so you will be notified as soon as my next video drops. And as always, I'm a little different, and different is love. See y'all in the next one. Bye.